In this video, I will show you how to watch sport highlights or any matches football highlights on YouTube app on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, is to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. Then after you open up your YouTube app, from the home page right here, you want to make sure you slide to the sidebar right here. Scroll down until you get to sports right here. So here you go. Then you want to make sure you scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down, or better still, scroll to the top right here. Then here you go. You have different matches highlights right here. So just like so, you just want to make sure you navigate to anyone that you would like to watch right here. Like for instance, these are all football highlights right here. This is highlights between Real Madrid and another sport highlight right here. Both short and normal video is being posted right here by different channel. It's that simple. Then from here you can watch any one of your choice as the case may be. However, this is depends on the time as the time you are checking on this particular highlight section. That will determine the number of video you are going to see in these sections right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply watch any football highlight on YouTube app. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your YouTube app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.